Hello everyone, Jay here. Welcome to the very first video of the channel. Today we're going to be opening up some Sun and Moon booster packs. Hopefully we get something good. Oh, just kind of moved. Sorry about my opening skills. Not very good at it. Okay, hold on. Okay, you do it. Having my cousin helping me out.
Better at opening than you.
Yes, he is. Here's a cold card for you guys. Whoops. And here's a promo Litten you get with this. Which one should we open first? I'll save the starter I started off with for last. Buff Cat goes first. Cold card. We got a Roggenrola, Cosmog, Fomantis, a Alolan Grimer, Togedemaru, sorry if I mispronounced that, a Reverse Hollow Torkoal, Ultra Ball, a Corsola, Double Colorless Energy, nice. Cosmoem? Oh, and a Fairy Energy. Not the best way to start off our channel. But we have 2 more packs to go. It's a code card. And I forgot it was 4. We got a Poplio, another Togedemaru, a Shelder, Makuhita, Firo, a Dark Energy, a Granbull, another Double Colorless Energy, Pyukumukumu, and a Alolan Dugtrio, Reverse Hollow, and a Hollow Poliwrath. Alright, we're getting somewhat good pulls. And our last booster pack. Starting off with a Fire Energy, Pyukumukumu, Big Malasada, Bryon, Morlo, Skarmory, Caterpie, Sandygast, Roggenrola, Reverse Hollow Grimer, and a Stoutland. Best card we've got out of this was the Hollow Poliwrath. Not the best way to start off our channel, but what are you gonna do? Now, since it's the first video of this channel, I will be giving away some code cards. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please make sure to leave any suggestions, comments, like, and subscribe. Thanks.